Oh! Alright, let's just introduce the vlog quick. Alright, so we're at a Bay Area midnight meets. Me and Nick are here. We're taking my car because his car is still profusely leaking oil and it's on wires and it's not driving straight right now. So, and it's really loud.
There's a lot of cops.
There's a lot of cops. I don't want to do anything stupid. So we're just here to vlog the experience. So Nick's gonna be the camera guy for the night.
Yup.
If the quality is bad, you know it's because he's behind the camera.
Up, dude. It's already looking great. We had a Civic just blowing out our eardrums.
Yeah. Where do I get the best angles? We left a little early just so that the cars behind us can start flying by. Because the last time we were here, they got pretty active. Civic's turbo. I know it's Civic. RSX.
RSX? Maybe. I didn't really hear it.
Oh, the Honda boys are here.
Oh yeah, my people.
That was underwhelming.
Well, all right, 1, 2.
No way that Mustang lost.
C5 vet, base,
C5 vet.
5.7, I think 5.7.
Oh.
Well,
We got the Lexus.
yeah. Somewhere back there.
Okay guys, so I prefaced that I wasn't gonna race. Now, this is a closed course, and no one's actually getting any runs in, which is what I just wanted to record. But since no one's doing it, I have to do it. You're welcome. You know, we may not win every race, but
We still race.
yeah,
You're not supposed to win every race.
Yeah, we create some entertainment.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Oh, this is the Rango. Hey, that TC's got a little sauce in it though, I can't lie.
I know, yeah. Oh, sick. Alright, we made it to the first spot. We got the vet.
First spot, we got the M3 there. First spot, honestly, probably the last spot, I can't lie.
Is that Z06? Looks like it.
Yes, it is a Z06.
Alright. G80, and that's about it. There's a C43 somewhere, and I don't know about the rest. Daly City or whatever you want to call it.
Oh yeah. M240 maybe? Whatever that is. Dude, this is what they've been hiding.
I know.
Look at this thing.
If only we left them.
GT4 RS. Whatever this is. Oh, this is where like the serious cars are. M3 Camaro. Oh yeah, all the vets over here. So, don't gotta be that close. We're here at the meet. We're kind of deciding if we should or should not keep going. What do you think?
We'll see, because I don't know. Let's discuss.
Me and Nick are kind of beat, so we don't know if we want to keep going.
Yeah, it's been a long day. We
We'll
both
see.
just got off of work.
We'll see what the next location looks like in a preview on a map, and we'll see if we want to go.
Yeah.
Oh, is this the guy we raced earlier? Well, no freaking wonder we lost. So, despite all of the chaotic events, me and Nick have decided that the gas is simply not worth it.
Yeah.
But we tried to get the best clips for you as possible.
Let's go. All phenomenal.
Yeah,
That's our time to go. We're leaving the meet now. Or everybody's leaving, actually, because the cops are here.
I'm just...
Got my head hanging out the window in the back.
First location got busted.
Instantly.
Pretty quickly, actually. Yeah, we weren't there for that long. What, like 10 minutes?
Probably 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Well, we were there for like 15, but everybody else got there around like 10
Yeah.
minutes. Yeah. These people are fucking boring. Nobody wanted to race. Everybody who wanted to race wanted to line it up like 3 times. We already know who's gonna win.
Yep.
Yeah, so we got... Alright, camera's clean again.
Camera is clean. Look at all the cars we're saying bye to.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Hope I didn't run a red.
The hell?
Me and the super behind me, we got the right idea. It's time to get out of here.
Our homie knows what's Our homie knows what's up.
Our homie knows what's going on. Yeah, this SFPD does not... Is this SFPD?
I think so, yeah. I'm pretty sure it's SF
Yeah,
jurisdiction.
SFPD does not mess around. Nick just said he was really tired, so he's glad we're going home.
Oh, I'm so glad. I gotta piss so fucking bad. And I gotta go back to your house and pick up my fuck ass car.
Sorry guys, it wasn't as eventful as we thought, but you know what? We tried.
We really did.
We tried our best. Things don't always go according to plan, but that's
No.
okay. We'll be back with something else. We're just gonna... Actually, we do have some very exciting stuff coming up.
We do have some exciting stuff coming up.
Yeah.
Next week, stay tuned for that. We're gonna release 2 different videos. We'll try pushing out some videos for you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.